Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you how to easily change your Windows 11 PIN or password. So to do this, first open the settings app. Now in the settings app you'll need to go to this accounts tab here. Now in here scroll down and click on sign in options. Now in this menu you'll see this PIN option, click on it. And here you should see the option to change the PIN. You can simply click on this option to enter your current PIN and set the new PIN. However, if you want to change the password, you should see an option right below it. But if you don't see it like me, simply go to additional settings and turn off this Windows Hello toggle. Now go back to the previous page and go to sign in options again. Once you do this, you should see this PIN option right here. Click on it and you can use this change button to change your Windows 11 password. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.